Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a very simple mushroom soup. This can be prepared in just 15 minutes and it tastes really good. Let's get started. I have taken 200 grams of mushroom. You have to wash it well and chop it into fine pieces and have it ready. This quantity will be sufficient enough for 4 people. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil, and when it is hot, I am going to add 1 small chopped onion. Saute this for a minute. Do not add more onion, just a small sized onion would do. After a minute, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is just to give a flavor, so do not add more than this. Saute this till the raw smell goes off, and then I am going to add the chopped mushrooms. You have to chop it like this, only then the consistency of the soup will be good. Saute the mushroom for at least 3-4 minutes. As the mushroom gets cooked, it will reduce in quantity. It starts to lose its water content. After 3 minutes, I am going to add around 3 cups of water, which is 750 ml. Give it a mix and let it boil for at least 10 minutes. It's been almost 5 minutes now, and keep mixing it in between and allow it to boil for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the quantity has reduced a little bit. It has become thicker. To make it even thicker, I'm going to add a corn flour mixture. For this, I've taken a tablespoon of corn flour in a small bowl, and to this add little water. Mix it without any lumps. The corn flour mixture is now ready. So slowly pour the corn flour mixture from one hand, and using the other hand keep mixing the soup. Only then the corn flour will not go and settle down at the bottom. Soon after adding the corn flour mixture, you can notice the soup has thickened, and you will also get a glossy texture. So let it boil for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, just before turning off the heat, I'm going to add salt to taste and a teaspoon of crushed pepper and cumin seeds. You can just add pepper if you want. And then finally, some chopped coriander leaves. That's all. You can turn off the heat and give it a mix. And serve this soup hot. If you want, you can just sprinkle a little more pepper powder while serving. And that's all. Such a super easy and very tasty mushroom soup is now ready. Do give it a try at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.